Hello, children. I'm Mrs. Van Winkle, and today I'm going to share with you the ECRI lesson for week 2, day 3. Let's begin. We're going to start with say it, spell it, say it. And what we're going to do is we're going to say the word, then we are going to say the letters, spell out the letters in the word, and then say the word again. I will do the first few with you to start, and then you will finish the rest out loud to yourself. Here we go. Word, for. Spell for. F-O-R. Word, for. The word is have. Spell have. H-A-V-E. Word, have. Word, the word is he. Spell he. H-E. Word, he. The word is look. Spell look. L-O-O-K. Word, look. Okay, now you're going to try. These are words we've seen before and some words I have shown you today. Word, and you should be saying the word now. Spell to. T-O-O. Word, to. Word, spell what? W-H-A-T. Word, what? Word, spell have. H-A-V-E. Word, have. Word, spell help. H-E-L-P. Word, help. Word, spell to. T-O-O. Word, to. Word, spell play. P-L-A-Y. Word, play. Word, spell with. W-I-T-H. Word, with. Word, spell look. L-O-O-K. Word, look. Word, spell for. F-O-R. Word, for. Word, spell you. Y-O-U. Word, you. Spell, say, word. Spell he. H-E. Word, he. Word, spell what? W-H-A-T. Word, what? All right, now we're going to move on to our next page. On this one, I am going to be using cubes, and we're going to be going through and doing the sounds that we hear for those words. So I will say the sound, and then you are going to say the word when I slide my finger across the base of my cubes. So listen for the sound so you can say the word when I get to it. F-I-G. Word, fig. Next one, B-I-O. Word, bill. G-O-T, word, goat. S-A-D, word, sad. T-I-T, word, tight. G-A-M, word, game. At, hat. Spill, spill. Nicely done. Okay, on to our next page. Now we're going to look at our letters for the week. As we look at our letters and their sounds, I'm going to point to the card, or I'm going to show you with the card. I'm going to say card, and I want you to tell me what it's a picture of. Then I'm going to ask for the sound it makes and then the letter. Let's begin. Card, igloo. Sound, I. Spelling, I. Card, B. Sound, oh, excuse me, boys and girls, I did that incorrectly. Let's try that again. Card, bear. Sound, B. Spelling, B. Card, goose. Sound, G. Spelling, G. You should be following along with me and see if you can say it before me. Card, horse. Sound, spelling, H, followed by a letter. Card, rooster. Sound, spelling, and I have two spellings, R and WR letter. My last letter sound, card, zebra. Sound, Z. Spelling, Z, letter, S. Now we're going to go through and we're going to say the sound. I will point to a box and then I will say sound and you will say the sound. Here we go. Sound. 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 Okay, now we are going to do some blending of letters to make words. As I write the letter, we're going to say the sound. And then we are going to blend those letters together to make a word. Let's begin. Sound, D. Sound I. D. I. Sound D. Let's blend it together. D. I. D. Word did. Sound P. Sound I. Blend P. I. Sound T. Blend P. I. T. Word pit. Sound B. Sound I. Blend B. I. Sound G. Blend B. I. G. Word big. Sound H. Sound I. Blend H. I. Sound P. Blend H. I. P. Word hip. Sound I. Sound T. Blend H. T. Word it. Sound Sound A. Blend A. Sound Blend N. Word ran. Oh, we have a capital. Remember, we use a capital when we're saying someone's name or it's the name of a place. And the sound this makes is Sound I. Blend I. Sound P. Blend I. P. Word rip. Sound F. Sound I. Blend F. I. Sound T. Blend F. I. T. Word fit. Nicely done. Okay. Now we're going to take those same words we just sounded out, plus some that you learned before, and see if we can sound out these words. I will point to the word. Your job is to see if you can sound it out in your head and say the word. I will say word, and you will say it. And then I will say it later so that you can hear if you were correct. Okay, so everyone look at the first one. Word, did. Word, pit. You're sounding that out. Word, word, hip. Word, it. Word, ran. Word, rip. Word, fit. Word, bat. Word, it. Word, hit. Word is. Word his. Word tip. Word tin. Word Pam. Notice that there's a capital P here because Pam is a name. There's a capital R here because Rip is a name. Thank you for joining me today. Excellent effort.